Hi, I'm here to talk to you about the latest highway driving assist available at Kia, an incredible driver convenience feature to help make your journey even safer. Activated by a single switch, the highway driving assist with hands-on detection allows you to set your speed and then uses its sensors to predetermine a safe distance from the car in front. If the car ahead begins to brake, the Kia EV9 will adjust by slowing down to maintain a safe distance. As the traffic ahead picks up, the car will accelerate back to your chosen speed. It also uses its sensors to read the road markings to keep the car centralised in the lane. And this is just the beginning. The Highway Driver Pilot will be available soon, giving us a glimpse of what full autonomous driving will look like. This is all part of Kia's commitment not only to ease the driver's workload, but also to make the daily commutes and longer journeys more relaxing, comfortable, and most importantly, safe. Just another example of how Kia is turning ideas into reality. For more information, go to kia.com.
Kia. Movement that inspires.